Hello friends, welcome. Today I want to share with you something new from Haute. You probably seen me already using food coloring from Haute, but right now they have limited edition, something special for Easter, the new collection with the glitter tint that can be used for any desserts if you want to decorate for spring. The shades are perfect for Easter, like for example this one, flower pink, lucky green. Just look at this color. So sparkly. All this glitter tint can be used for macarons, mousse desserts, or any desserts. It just will give a little glitter to your dessert and sparkle, and you're gonna love it. In this video, I want to show you how I'm using this glitter for macaron shells. I'm gonna use vodka, just a few tablespoons of any vodka you like. Just make sure it's just pure white, not colored and not flavored. And I'm gonna need a little small mixing bowl, and I'm using right here flower pink glitter, just a few tablespoons, and I'm gonna sift into small mixing bowl just to make sure there is no any clumps left. Just like this. And I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of vodka and use a brush and just mix it and see the consistency of this mixture. If you want to add a little bit more vodka, it's perfectly fine. Right here I'm using just one more tablespoon and just mix it. Just like this. I'm gonna show you yellow also. On 2 tablespoons, it's enough. Sift just to avoid any clumps. And add vodka. And check the consistency. I start with the 1 tablespoon, then mix, and then I'm adding a little bit more just to be comfortable for painting. So right here I mixed all this glitter, the pink, baby yellow, lucky green, that would be perfect for Christmas also, and blue one. And now I'm going to show you how I'm using this on macaron shells. I baked macaron shells and I shaped them as an egg because it's Easter. And after mixing the glitter with the vodka, I'm just painting using just small brush. I'm painting macaron shell. You can also paint sides if you like, or just only top. One layer is enough. If you want more vibrant color, then paint twice and let it dry. Here I'm using lucky green color. It's so easy to apply, you don't have to put too much. And it's not going to damage macaron shells because we're using vodka, and vodka will evaporate, only leaving the color and the shine of the macaron shells. It's so easy to apply. And right here, after drying, you can fill macarons with your favorite filling. Just sandwich with the second macaron shell, press lightly, and place in airtight container in refrigerate. Just want to show you I painted all of them using all the colors, green and pink, yellow and blue, I think it's really perfect for Easter. And right here I'm gonna show you another way. First you bake macaron shells and then you fill them with your favorite filling. I'm using here even mango confit right in the middle. I'm sandwiching with the second macaron shell. And now I will paint with the glitter. It really doesn't matter which way you're gonna use, before filling macaron shells or after. Just make sure they dry for a few minutes at least, and then you will place them in airtight container. But I try both ways and they work perfectly. Just look at the shine. It's just so perfect for Easter. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and follow me for more recipes. Happy baking!